is that Genghis Khan episode. This goes out to my Mongol brothers, my Kazakh brothers. Hell yeah! Or we're doing those horses this episode. Or because we got horse meat. Why don't we eat more horse? I manifested this shit. John D. Rockefeller manifestation. Just a couple days ago I was thinking, why haven't I seen horse meat in my butcher shop or any store in years? I used to get horse meat any day I want in my butcher shop here in the city. And I was thinking, where has the horse meat gone? Why doesn't people eat horses anymore? Look at how dark that is. Kinda reminds me of the reindeers. Well, horses are a cool animal. They're magnificent, beautiful animals. But we should still eat them after they've done their life. We should consume them because horses have magnificent, magical life force energy. Just look at the Mongols. Genghis Khan fucking conquered everybody with horse meat. Probably ate it raw like me. And it's really good. The Kazakh people, they're dominating in fighting sports because they eat their horse meat since they are fetus inside of their mothers, because their mothers eating the horse meat. I wish I had some horse milk, raw milk with me. Horse meat is good. This is fresh horse meat, one of the local farm. That's pretty good. It's kinda mixed between beef and the deer meat I had. And I really like the deer meat. And beef, obviously, everybody likes steak. It is super lean, super duper lean. So you gotta have some fat to mix it up, so you don't get that rabbit starvation. Can't be just eating protein all day, every day. But if you listen to your body, you know what to eat. You know how much protein you need. You need how much fat you need. You need how much carbs you need. And you need to eat seasonally. Still, there's no carbs growing here. They're just coming maybe in a month or so. Then a couple months you can have some carbs in Finland. You gotta follow the sun, you gotta follow the seasons. I'd say horse meat is like really solid protein. Very solid meat. I've had horse meat before many times, but never like this full raw, full natty bra experience. I'm probably jumping around tomorrow. Good day. Horse energy. Better watch out, the Mongoloids. I think the Mongols, they really use the horse milk a lot. They sour it a lot, the Mongolians and the Kazakhs also, because they can't just kill horses every day. I think they also use goats quite a bit. But I would have to guess that horse meat is a little bit better than goat meat. Goats have that kind of funky taste. Just cool, good. Some people, some pussies don't enjoy it, but I don't mind. But horse don't have that. Horse is just lean and mean. Makes you a mean motherfucker. You wanna conquer the world from these motherfucking bangers and shit. That's like 9 out of 10. If it would have some fat, some horse fat, it could be 10 out of 10, but I have to use some beef fat from a very local farm that I visited from my hometown. Some Highland cattle. Those are good. Oh, I guess we should eat some raw chicken also. How does horse meat mix with raw chicken? Man, horse meat is good. It is good. Raw chicken, it's pretty good. Not as good as the horse meat. Well, maybe sometime. I get the balance what your body craves. They're totally different tastes and textures and experiences. Sometimes the raw chicken experience triumphs the horse meat experience, but I haven't had horse meat in a long time, a couple of years probably, and I've had raw chicken every single day for almost a year, so my body craves a little bit more that horse meat. It wants a little bit more that horse life force energy. Thank you, horse meat. And thank you, horses. You are cool. I've never ridden horse, but I would like to, like those Indians. That seems like a badass thing to do. Hunt with the boys, with your horses. And when the hunt fails, you eat the horse. But thank you, horse meat. Please bring me life force energy so I can take down the Illuminati and shit. The guys that are ruining freaking everything. Bring back horse meat. Bring back savages. Bring back tribes. It's a little too late for that. The weapons a little bit too advanced. Our horse meat, 9 out of 10, really good. Only thing is missing is fat. If you have some horse meat with some horse fat and some horse milk, fresh or soured, I don't mind. Bring it to me. Base science, always ready for that. Because we are based and we doing science.